Hey guys, how's everyone doing? Today I want to do a quick trade recap on this trade that I took on the 5th of February 2026. This is the biggest trade that I've ever taken, not because of the trade size, because it was only a 1.3 RR trade, but it's actually because of all the accounts that I was copying. I had all my capital trading on this account, and I bought a few Lucid accounts recently, so I wanted to copy on those as well. I am copying using my Lucid account, so if I just show you the account balance right here, as you can see, I'm up $713 on my eval account, so it's going pretty well, and I made $713 across every single one of my funded accounts. So that's why it's so much. Like, before I only used to have one funded account, it would have only been $713. But imagine if you have 10, imagine if you have 20, imagine if you have 30, it adds up like crazy. But yeah, let me do a quick trade recap on why I took this trade. As you guys know, I always start off on the 4-hour time frame. Let me just start right here. As you can see, 4-hour time frame, there isn't much to say apart from that we're extremely bearish. If you've been keeping up with the news, with what Trump's up to, with all these files that are getting released on the internet, with all this nonsense that's happening, we're extremely bearish. So not only are the fundamentals bearish, as you can see, price action's extremely bearish as well. We're breaking below these lows with body closes. We're breaking below these lows with body closes. We're breaking below these lows with body closes. What does that mean? We're going to continue breaking lows. Is that going down the stairs? Going down one step, going down another step, going down another step. What else is telling me that we're bearish? Another thing that's telling me that we're bearish are these insane bearish fair value gaps that we're holding. As you can see, we go into this gap, plummet down. And as we're plummeting down, we're forming more gaps as resistance. Gap right there for resistance. If we go down to the hourly, we see the same thing. Forming these gaps, respecting them, forming, let me get rid of the previous gaps. Forming these gaps, we're respecting them, dumping down, leaving gaps behind. As you can see, forming gaps here, we're respecting them and then dumping down. So what do I expect to happen today? Obviously, I think we're going to continue coming down. Dropping down to the 15-minute, you see the exact same thing. It doesn't get more clear than this. Today's trading day was so clear. When price is this clear, you have to be taking a trade if your setup forms. Fair value gap over here, we tapped inside, dumped down. Let me show you again. We have a fair value gap right here. Price tapped into it, dumped down. We have a fair value gap right here. We come into this at market open, what do you expect? Dump down. Is so easy. Like, it can't get easier than this. Like, I could teach a baby to trade and they'll be able to trade this. Like, it's literally common sense at this point. If you see price dropping down, just sell. Same second you see your setup form. Cool. So we have our direction. We need some targets now. So I'll go down to the hourly time frame and I draw some lows over here. We could expect this low to get taken. We can expect this low to get taken, this low, and this low. Oops. Going back to the right. Oh my god, where's price? Let me reset my chart. Okay, cool. Got a direction, price is going down. We have targets. And just in case you guys think I'm talking nonsense and I've just made this up right now because I've already seen price action, let me show you guys my journal. So I was actually trading from the office today. So all my journal are iPhone screenshots. But as you can see on the 4-hour time frame, there isn't much to say apart from that we're really bearish. And look at the time, 2:15. This is before market opened. So I can't just be talking nonsense. Price looks like it wants to continue plummeting down. I need to look for targets. And let me show you guys something amazing. You know this hourly fair value gap that I've drawn out? Or this 30-minute fair value gap? Remember what I asked you at the beginning? I asked, are we going to continue going up every single time we go into a bearish fair value gap, or are we going to plummet down? I'm guessing the same second we come into here, based off what we've been doing for the past few days, we're going to tap this fair value gap and plummet down. So, look what I wrote in my journal. I literally wrote, where is it? Look at this. Just looking for shorts from this sweep and gap. Sweep and gap. And look what we did. Let me go to market open. So pull the candles back, 9:30. Cool. So we've got some clean targets. We've got a sweep. We've got a zone. If I just play price is going up, exactly what I want to do. Now, this is what I'm looking at, okay? We come into the zone, we cause the sweep. I'm waiting for these fair value gaps to get inversed. We've already almost inversed this top one, but I'm waiting for the bottom one to get inversed. It's also important to notice that we do have news today. We already had news at 1:30 p.m., but we also have news at 3 p.m. The reason you need to be careful because of this, although the government's down, the US government is literally switched off right now, so dumb. You need to be careful because if you're entering on these prop firms, a lot of them have some strict rules. And the strict rules are no entering trades 2 minutes before and after news. So you just need to be careful. I don't really care about volatility being brought into the market because the government's closed anyway. They won't be announcing any unemployment figures. So I just have my eye on this fair value gap. What I want to see is since we're respecting this, I want to see a resweep of this high or a double sweep. It doesn't matter, but I want to see us plummet below this, because when on the 1 minute we switch direction and on all the higher time frames we're already bearish, I'm expecting price to continue plummeting down. Let's see what price does. As you can see, resweep, and it looks like we want to start dumping down. The same second this candle closed like this, underneath this fair value gap, I entered shorts. I have to check the 2 minute. 2 minute, there's nothing. 3 minute, there's a teeny tiny fair value gap over here that we've already body closed below, so that's fine for me to enter. 5 minute, we're also inversing this gap. So I enter here, and then I target down here. As you can see, this is probably one of the best trades I've ever taken. Not a single second of drawdown. Exactly how I called the price by the dot, securing me $700 on every single one of my accounts. This is and then for break even, I remember I went break even on this low right here. I did go break even pretty quick. I think you should have gone break even around here, but this is quite close to my TP anyway, so it doesn't really matter. But I was very happy with this anyway. Price perfect, delivery perfect, targets perfect, direction perfect, zone perfect, resweep perfect. Like, I would take this any day of the week. But yeah, nothing else for me to say, to be honest. Like, clean day, clean trade. I think everyone should have taken this. You saw PB taking it. I think I saw Dodgy taking it as well. Almost every single inversion fair value gap trader took this. Even if you took it on the 5 minute inverse, which I did not wait for because I was trading from the office on my phone. I didn't get a chance to check everything. I checked 1 to 4 minutes, or 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, and I was happy enough to enter just because the drawdown here was so strong. But yeah, probably not going to be trading tomorrow. You can probably see a continuation trend to the downside on a Friday, because Friday continuation, that's one of the patterns that I've noticed in the markets. But yeah, the reason I won't be trading is because I can secure another payout. So I'm going to pull all of these profits out of my accounts, but at the same time, I just want to enjoy my Friday, to be honest. I've already taken 3 trades this week, which is already more than what I usually take. Today's trade was a banger. I'm trying to keep my capital, keep my money, and yeah, I'm just trying to enjoy my time, to be honest. I have a few things planned out for tomorrow, for the weekend, just looking forward to them. But yeah, if I do take a trade, or if you guys, I'm probably going to drop a recap anyway, even if I don't take one, of any possible trades that I could have taken, that I avoided, that I should have taken. So that is something that you guys could look forward to. But anyway, it's already extremely late. I need to go sleep, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Take care.